Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Tiguan wing mirror cover. First, adjust your mirror glass fully inward to create a gap at the outer edge. Carefully insert a plastic trim tool into this gap and gently pry the mirror glass away from its housing. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for heating, from the back of the mirror glass. This initial step ensures safe access to the cover. With the electrical connections undone, you can now fully unclip the mirror glass. It's usually held by several clips or a central pivot. Apply gentle, even pressure to release it. Once free, set the mirror glass aside on a soft cloth or surface to prevent scratches or damage. Taking note of how the wires were routed will make reinstallation much easier later on. Now that the mirror glass is out, you'll see the retaining clips that hold the wing mirror cover in place. There are typically 3 to 5 clips. Using your plastic pry tool, gently but firmly release each clip one by one. Start from one side and work your way around the cover's edge. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent breaking the plastic tabs. Once all the clips are disengaged, the wing mirror cover should slide off easily. Take your time to ensure it's completely free before pulling it away. When installing a new cover, align it carefully with the housing. Then, apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel all the clips snap securely into place. Double-check for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.